Welcome to our video on the best sublimation printer for beginners. If you're just starting your sublimation journey, choosing the right printer can feel overwhelming. The good news is, we've done the research for you. In this video, we'll explore top beginner-friendly sublimation printers that are easy to use, affordable, and deliver professional quality prints. Whether you're looking to create custom t-shirts, mugs, or home decor, the right printer can help bring your designs to life with vibrant colors and lasting results. Stay tuned as we break down the best options to kickstart your sublimation printing success. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All of the products we mention in this video have timestamps and links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Brother MFC J805DW Printer. The Brother MFC J805DW is a versatile all-in-one inkjet printer that's a solid choice for beginners diving into sublimation printing. With its compact design and multifunction capabilities, it's ideal for home-based crafters who want a reliable machine for both sublimation and everyday printing tasks. The printer supports a wide range of media sizes, making it adaptable for projects like custom apparel, mugs, and phone cases. Its investment tank system is a standout, offering high-yield ink cartridges that reduce the frequency of refills, which is a big plus for beginners managing costs. The printer delivers sharp, vibrant prints with a resolution of up to 6000 by 1200 dpi, ensuring your sublimation designs pop with clarity and color accuracy. Setting up the MFC J805DW is straightforward, with an intuitive 1.8-inch color display guiding users through the process. It supports Wi-Fi and mobile printing, allowing you to send designs from your phone or computer effortlessly, an excellent feature for tech-savvy beginners. The Brother MFC J805DW handles various paper types, including sublimation paper, and its flatbed scanner is handy for digitizing designs. Its print speed of around 12 pages per minute for color prints is decent for small-scale projects, though not the fastest for high-volume work. Durability is a strong suit, with Brother's reputation for reliable machines shining through. Beginners will appreciate the low learning curve and the printer's ability to balance sublimation tasks with general printing needs, making it a practical choice for those just starting their creative journey. Number 2. HP SmartTank 7001 Printer. The HP SmartTank 7001 is a fantastic choice for beginners looking for a high-capacity, user-friendly sublimation printer. This all-in-one inkjet printer is designed with a high-volume ink tank system, which is ideal for sublimation enthusiasts who want to minimize ink costs over time. Its sleek design fits well in small workspaces, and its ability to handle a variety of media makes it suitable for creating vibrant sublimation prints on items like tumblers, coasters, and apparel. The printer boasts a print resolution of up to 4800 by 1200 dpi, delivering crisp, colorful results that bring designs to life. The SmartTank 7001 is easy to set up, with a guided process via the HP Smart app, which is a boon for beginners unfamiliar with printer configurations. The app also enables wireless printing from smartphones or tablets, streamlining the workflow for tech-savvy users. The printer's large ink reservoirs mean fewer refills, and while it doesn't come with sublimation ink, it's compatible with aftermarket sublimation inks, which are easy to install with proper guidance. Beginners should ensure they use high-quality sublimation paper to avoid issues like ghosting or smudging. This printer supports borderless printing, a must for sublimation projects, and its speed of up to 9 pages per minute for color prints is sufficient for small-scale crafting. The automatic two-sided printing feature is a nice touch, though less relevant for sublimation. The 2.2-inch touchscreen simplifies navigation, and the printer's robust build ensures longevity. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2760 Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET2760 is a top contender for beginners in sublimation printing, thanks to its affordability and high-capacity ink system. This all-in-one inkjet printer is designed for low-cost operation, with large ink tanks that can print thousands of pages before needing a refill. For sublimation, it's easily converted with compatible sublimation ink, making it a favorite among hobbyists. The printer delivers stunning prints with a resolution of up to 5760 by 1440 dpi, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details for designs on mugs, shirts, and other substrates. Setup is beginner-friendly, with a 1.4-inch color display and clear instructions. The EcoTank ET2760 supports Wi-Fi and voice-activated printing, allowing seamless integration with devices like smartphones or smart assistants, a feature that simplifies the process for new users. The ET2760's print speed of about 5 pages per minute for color is slower than some competitors, but it's adequate for small batches. Borderless printing is supported, which is essential for professional-looking sublimation projects. The printer also includes a flatbed scanner for digitizing designs, adding versatility for crafters. Its durability and low ink costs make it a cost-effective choice over time, though users must invest in sublimation-specific supplies up front. The EcoTank ET2760 strikes a balance between performance and simplicity, making it an excellent option for beginners who want quality results without a steep learning curve. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2720 Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 is another excellent choice for beginners entering the world of sublimation printing. This compact all-in-one inkjet printer is known for its high-capacity ink tanks, which drastically reduce the need for frequent refills, making it ideal for cost-conscious crafters. With a print resolution of up to 5760 by 1440 dpi, the ET2720 produces vivid, detailed prints that are perfect for sublimation projects like custom apparel, mugs, and home decor. Its small footprint is great for home use, fitting easily into tight spaces. The ET2720 is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring a straightforward setup process and a 1.4-inch color LCD for easy navigation. It supports wireless printing via Wi-Fi and mobile apps, allowing beginners to print designs directly from their devices. For sublimation, the printer requires compatible sublimation ink and paper, which are easy to source and install with proper guidance. The ink bottle system is mess-free, a relief for new users, though care is needed to avoid overfilling or clogging during setup. Print speeds are moderate at around 5 pages per minute for color, suitable for small-scale sublimation projects. The printer supports borderless printing, ensuring clean, professional results for sublimation transfers. Its scanning and copying functions add versatility, allowing users to digitize or duplicate designs. While not the fastest printer, its reliability and low ink costs make it a smart long-term investment. Beginners will appreciate the ET2720's balance of affordability and performance, though they should be prepared to learn the basics of sublimation conversion to get started. Number 5. Canon PIXMA G6020 Printer. The Canon PIXMA G6020 is a high-performance all-in-one inkjet printer that's well-suited for beginners exploring sublimation printing. Its Megatank ink system offers high-volume printing with minimal refills, making it a cost-effective option for crafters. With a print resolution of up to 4800 by 1200 dpi, the G6020 delivers vibrant, sharp prints that shine on sublimation projects like t-shirts, mugs, and canvas. Its sleek design and robust build make it a great addition to any home studio. Setting up the PIXMA G6020 is simple, with a 2-line LCD and support for the Canon Print app, which enables wireless printing from smartphones or computers. This is a huge advantage for beginners who value convenience. The printer requires sublimation ink conversion, which is straightforward but requires careful adherence to instructions to avoid issues like ink clogs. The high-capacity ink tanks are easy to refill, and the printer supports a variety of media sizes, including sublimation paper up to 8.5 by 14 inches. The G6020 offers print speeds of about 6.8 pages per minute for color, which is decent for small-scale sublimation work. Borderless printing ensures professional quality transfers, and the automatic duplex printing feature is a bonus for non-sublimation tasks. The printer's scanning and copying capabilities add versatility, allowing users to create digital backups or scan designs. Its durability and low ink costs make it a reliable choice for long-term use. Beginners will find the PIXMA G6020's combination of ease of use, high-quality output, and low operating costs appealing, though they should invest time in learning proper sublimation techniques.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.